We're heading to the breakfast hall. We're heading to the breakfast now here at the hotel. It's free. Actually, it's not free. We paid for that. Everybody's here. Hi, Cafe Street. Kakain na po kami. Hi, ate. Good morning. Hi, ate. Lalamon na kami. Time to lamon. Lamon time. Tingnan natin kung sarap ang pagkain nila. Let's vlog din. Social! Upgraded! From 7-Eleven. Yan po ang kanilang mga pagkain. Buffet. Buffet ang kanilang pagkain. Libre. O, diba? Pastries. Yummy. Pastries. Grabe, ang dami nilang pagkain. Good morning. Tara, dali. Buha kayo. Kapalong ganisa. Yummy. I don't know if you like fish. Manado sausage. Dangkit ba yan? Or?
Hindi naman. Kaya sabi mo.
Lumalamon na. Ako po nagbibideo lang. You're welcome. Ngayon na po yung mga patay gutom. 7-Eleven, from Japan, yan na po kinakain nila. Masosyal na po kami ngayon. Medyo nakakaluwag-luwag na. Binenta po namin yung aming kalabaw para po maka-afford kami dito sa Shangri-La po. Yummy, tako.
Kasi may pansit.
All the way. Yummy, you got it. Saan ang mga prutas? Eh, meron juice po yan. Ito nung magsimula. Dami pala dito. Hindi ko ito nakita. Ito po yung fresh pineapple cucumber. Dessert. Look at that, sabi niya. Bibingka. Parang hindi masira.
Talagang po.
Yeah, sure. May dilis.
Shallots yung...
Yes.
Oo.
Udo siyang kurado.
Yung...
Lamon. We're getting our food. Yummy. Ito na pang aming mga dessert. It's dessert time. And more not dessert. This is our second trip. We will have our third probably. We're making lugaw now. Ate Edith me ube champurado. I've never seen one like that. So, our second trip. Let's try the buko pie. Buko pie. Creamy, yummy. Ube champurado. Ube gilis pa ba? Matching with fish swimming. Dilis. Ano po, ito ang aming pinagpaguran. Ibinento ko po ang tatay ko para So I sold my dad just for us to eat here. That's how desperate we are. Yun po. Opo, ito po pambayad ng sa bala. One of these po, kung sino po ang pasaway. Sila po ang pambayad. Wala po. Mga prutas. Have it here. Fruits. Sweets. Look at this. More dessert here. Look here. It's all free. Mami, may ice cream din. Hindi nakita ng mga bata siguro to. All this. Yeah, I don't think. Ito naman nakita nila. It's so pretty. Look at that. Yeah, saka yung mali kang napatunan. So this is our third trip. The food is so good. We've been here for 2 hours now, eating.